Hi, good morning, everyone. It's Mrs. Espinosa here to give you your assignment for today, April 20th, 2020. So, like always, I'm going to share my screen because, one, today is an Albert I.O. day since it is Monday, but there is something else that I need for you guys to do. So, I'm going to explain it to you all. So, let me share my screen. All right, so these are going to be the Albert I.O. assignments that you guys are going to do today. But first, I'm going to go over the other thing you're going to be doing today, which is a Microsoft form. So in a little bit, you guys will be doing, you guys will have an assignment that's called OTG Grade Tracker for 2020. So what that means is, like how we've always done in my class, where we go check your grades every single week, you're going to do the same thing here. It's not going to be on paper, it's going to be on the form. So what I'm going to have you guys do is you are going to tell me what teacher you are talking about and your current grade for quarter 4. So you're going to go on to PowerSchool and you're going to tell me your teacher and your current grade. So for example, right here, I have Farias 95. If you have an 82 in my class, you're going to put Espinosa 82. Tomorrow, whatever you have, Huerta, Ramirez, Magayan. If you don't have any of those teachers, put the other teachers you have. So I left it blank, that way it's easier for you to fill out. So make sure you put the teacher and the grade. So you're going to do that for all your teachers. And then if you go to number 7, I want you to tell me if your grade is lower than a 70 in any class, write down the teacher's name, the reason why you're failing, and what you're planning to do to improve that grade for the class. So if you're failing one class, you're going to write that down. If you're failing 2 classes, you're going to write those down. So here I have an example. So let's say I'm failing Farias right now. So I put Farias. I put, I am failing because I haven't been doing my work. That's my reason. And what am I planning on doing next? Is I'm planning on asking Ms. Farias what assignments I'm missing to pick up my grade. So that is what you're planning on doing. So who you're failing, why are you failing, and what are you planning to do? If you're failing more than 2 classes, you're going to put Farias first, and then Ramirez, or Farias, whoever it is that you're failing. If you're not failing a class, I just want you to write down not failing. And then for right here, for number 8, it says, today's Albert I.O. assignment is due tomorrow at 4 p.m. Make sure you complete all 4 assignments. This is to let me know that, yes, I read this, yes, I did this, and I know I have to do my Albert I.O. And then number 9, by writing my full name below, I am confirming to Ms. Espinosa that I checked my grades and I'm fully aware of how I'm doing in my classes. So you need to write your full name down here. Once you are done filling all this in, go ahead and submit. Okay? So now that moves me on to Albert I.O. So these are going to be your 4 assignments on Albert I.O. You have Common Ancestor, Desolate, Dialect, and Roosevelt. So Common Ancestor and Roosevelt are going to be a practice ACT English and a practice ACT reading, so I will not help you with that. But Desolate and Dialect are going to be your 2 vocabulary words that I want you to practice. So if we go to my teams, it'd be under my teams, we go under the General tab. I already have your assignment right here. So here I already put that you need to be doing the tracker first, but this is the thing I wanted to tell you also. So because I wanted to work on the time with you all, because the time is what really hinders you guys from getting a higher grade on the ACT, now all the assignments that I'm going to give you have been, the time has been decreased. So you're going from 10 minutes to 9 minutes. This is just to help you better when you take the exam, but I'm letting you know you now have 9 minutes for each assignment. So of course, Common Ancestor and Roosevelt, you have 9 minutes. But desolate, this is your definition. So desolate means it's deserted of people and it's in a state of miserable emptiness, of gloomy emptiness. And dialect is a particular form of a language which is specific to a region or a social group. So what that means is if you go to New York, if they say, do you want a glass of water? They're going to say, do you want a glass of water? Like that's the New York, Brooklyn area accent. If you go to like Kentucky or if you go to the South, they're going to have a strong accent. So it's just, dialect just means an accent to a particular region. So that is going to be your assignment for today, guys. If you need anything, go ahead, email me, reach out to me. But do not forget, if you haven't finished your assignments, and I already reached out to every single one of you, if you haven't finished any of the 3 assignments from last week, you have until 11:59 tonight to finish them. All right, so thank you all so much. I want you to have a great day, make it a great Monday, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.